Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show file extensions in Windows 11. If you want to enable this option, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel you need to open system settings, and then you need to scroll down and find here something like for developers. These settings are intended for development use only. So I click on this one arrow to open these settings, and after that we need to scroll down and open here File Explorer. Adjust these settings for a more developer friendly experience using File Explorer. And here you will find more options. So we are interested in to find here show file extensions function, because already it is set to off. If you want to enable this option, you need to click on this one gray dot, and after that show file extensions option will be successfully turned on. So now if you will go to any folder, you will find here file extensions. Extensions of this file is .mp4. But of course, if you will disable this function, this extension will be hidden, It is not visible here now. So in this way you can enable or disable file extensions in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.